Hi, my name is Susan Ramsey, and I'm a volunteer with the Eiber Sustainable Neighborhoods program. I've been involved for a number of years and participated in many interesting activities and gotten to know a lot of my neighbors. It's been wonderful. In particular, one activity I've been involved in is called the Mending Clinic. And because I'm a seamstress, um, I'm able to offer my services for free when we would have these mending clinics before COVID at a local brewery in Lakewood. And so people could bring their clothes that were still very wearable, but maybe needed a hem fixed, a seam stitched up, a button added, that sort of thing. And a group of us would be at the brewery with our sewing machines able to do that. We met a lot of people and it was a lot of fun. We aren't able to do that right now, but hopefully we will be able to get back to it. And I just wanted to share a couple of facts about what happens to our clothes. In the world, 100 pairs of human hands touch our clothes before we see it online or in stores. And it takes a garment worker 18 months to earn what a fashion brand CEO makes on their lunch break. It takes 2,720 liters of water to make a t-shirt. That's how much we normally drink in 3 years. So it's well worth it to try to extend the life of our clothes so that they don't end up in the landfill. Yes, it's great to donate them to a thrift store, but even better if you can get more wear out of it. So hopefully we'll be able to do this again, and I look forward to saving more clothes. It's been really fun to be a volunteer in the Sustainable Neighborhood program.